Hi, it's Suze from Suze's Mahj, and I'm so excited with today's package that I got in the mail. It's from Snack Crack Bam. If you have not heard of them, they are a Canadian company, and they have the most adorable travel tile set that I have ever seen. So I'm going to open this up with you and give you a review about this awesome travel set from Snack Crack Bam. Okay, let's get started. Came pretty nicely packaged with their label and everything, and it says fragile, handle with care. So I was really excited about that. I'm gonna open this up. Really well packaged. Okay, I don't want to cut. Oh, it comes in its own bag. So let's see what we've got. It's in this little canvas bag. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Do you see it? It's got a canvas bag with handles. It'll work really well. You can put it on your arm. And it says Snack Crack Bam on it. It's so cute. Okay, it's really packaged well inside. I'll take everything out for you. Got the bag right here. You can see the bag's really, really cute. Okay, so now it's well packaged in here. Let's open it up and see what we've got. I've gotten so obsessed with Mahjong that I'm super excited to have something to travel with. I just came back from a conference where I took my whole set, and lugging it there was quite a pain. So I'm hoping this will be a great way for me to travel and play, or even play some solitaire Mahjong when I travel. Okay, so it comes in this black neoprene bag, and it has a little logo right here in the corner. It's kind of also plastic neoprene raised. Very, very cute. Okay, the bag. Let's open the bag. There's a guide to American Mahjong play. To Snack Crack Bam on the back. There is this little pouch with the tiles. We're going to get to that in 1 second. It comes with this adorable little neoprene mat. I'll move my canvas bag out of the way. Perfect little playing mat. Says Snack Crack Bam on it. Really nice quality neoprene. There is a little crease in it, but super nice, super cute. And then I'm going to put my bag over here. Comes with these. Let me unwrap them here. There are these adorable little travel racks. Let me see how these racks work. Oh, they're so cute. You just put them inside each other and they stand up. So you've got your little racks right here. Super, super cute. There's a bunch of those. So you can use those to put your tiles on. And then let's get into those great tiles. So they're in this little canvas bag, and they say Snack Crack Bam on them. And then I'm going to come around close to the camera so you can see that these tiles, the backs are just absolutely darling. So let's go back and open these, and then I'll bring you some tiles up real close. Let's see here. They're not heavy at all. So here are your cracks. I'm going to bring those real close for you so you can see those cracks. And then here are your BAMs. Really, really cute. Your dragon is purple, so that's just something to keep in mind, but very cute. And here is your dots and soaps. And then here are your wins and jokers and blanks. And you can see it's real thin. Let's open one of these and take a closer look at them. Woo, I love that sound of cracking open new tiles. Oh my gosh, they're engraved and they are just darling. Let me bring this one really a lot closer. This is a flower for you so that you can see the thickness, the acrylic on the back with the plaid pattern. They're just absolutely precious. And the most amazing part is that they fit in my solo tray, my solitaire tray. I'm so excited. And this tray matches them so well. absolutely adorable. So I can take my tiny little tray, which fits well in my neoprene bag. It actually even fits well in this bag with me, and I can play solitaire. So when I'm in my hotel room, traveling for a conference, I don't even need other players. I have it all with me. I can practice that 2026 card with my new tiles. It even comes with 2 little black and white dice. So cute. These jokers are just darling. And then they just sit up here on the racks, kind of like that. Super cute. So I highly recommend it. Honestly, this set was so affordable. It was under $150. The company was great to work with, super responsive. It fits our solitaire tray, the Petite, the travel one. It fits it perfectly, goes right into the bag and everything. Super easy carry on, or something you could throw in your suitcase. I definitely give this 5 stars, and I would highly recommend that you check out Snack Crack Bam and Suze's Mahj. I'll put our link to our website and where you can buy the solitaire tray below, and I'll also put a link to where you can buy the tiles. Thanks so much. Take care.